hey Jake, Isla, Gemma, and Samantha. Yes, I have a happy birthday crown on today because it is one of my third graders' birthdays. So I figured, why not wear this happy birthday crown for him? So anyway, you guys get to enjoy it too. And I have a fake Friday sign up for us. I know it's not the real one, but that one's in school. Anyway, so it's Fake Friday, and we have made it to spring break. Woo-hoo! You guys did it. I'm so proud of you. Today we're going to do the mid-chapter check. So we're going to practice our lines, our angles, our triangles, our quadrilaterals, everything today. It's a nice big review day. Now I know we're meeting early, so we'll have already had our Google Meet by the time you do this document, which is fine. So let's do a review, and then you'll complete your mid-chapter check, and then we are finished for spring break. All right, let's do angle exercises though. We need those right now. All right, so let's review our angle exercises. So you're going to show me a right angle, a straight angle, an acute angle, an obtuse angle. Right angle, acute, straight, and obtuse. Let's do our parallel lines, touchdown. Let's do our perpendicular lines and our intersecting lines. Great job. Okay, so let's just go through all our definitions together, and then as a refresher, you guys have the reference sheet in our Google Classroom to use to help you with your classwork. Okay, and make sure when I ask you to label triangles, make sure you label them as a triangle. Some of you did not label them as triangles yesterday, you just labeled the angle, but I need to see the word triangle too. So let's start with reviewing triangles. So remember, an acute, my favorite one, the acute triangle is a triangle with 3 acute angles. There we go. So remember, if you're labeling triangles, you have to write acute triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with 1 obtuse angle. And then a right triangle is a triangle with 1 right angle. Okay. So now let's go over our quadrilaterals. Remember, it is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. So a trapezoid has at least 1 pair of parallel sides, and we could see them. A square has 2 pairs of parallel sides, 4 sides of equal length, and 4 right angles. A rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides, 2 pairs of sides of equal length, and 4 right angles. Now I'm just going to remind you once again, make sure you use that reference sheet when you do the Google Doc. Oh, here's my favorite, the rhombus. The rhombus has 2 pairs of parallel sides, 4 sides of equal length, but no right angles. The parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides, 2 pairs of sides with equal length. Again, no right angles. Okay, so now let's go over our lines. So we have intersecting lines. So intersecting lines are lines in a plane that cross at exactly 1 point. They form 4 angles, not right angles, just angles. Now perpendicular lines are lines in a plane that intersect to form 4 right angles. We could see the right angles with the little squares drawn. Okay. Oh, this is back to the beginning of our unit. Line segment. So a line segment is a part of a line between 2 endpoints. So there are our endpoints. A line is a straight path that continues on and does not end. And remember, if you see little letters associated with the line or line segment, you need to name it as line AB or line segment AB. Same thing with the ray. So let's just go over the definition. So a ray is a part of a line that has 1 endpoint and continues on in 1 direction. Endpoint, and then continues on. And then we have our point as an exact location in space. All right, so now we have our angles to go over. So remember, an angle is formed by 2 rays or line segments that have the same endpoint. The shared endpoint is called a vertex. Then we have our types of angles. So we have the acute angle, the obtuse angle, an angle that is greater than a right angle but less than a straight angle. There we go. Obtuse. We have our acute angle. An acute angle is less than a right angle. Remember, it's acute, it's little. We have our right angle. A right angle forms a square corner. We have our straight angle, which forms a line. Oh, I forgot about this one. I'm sorry, guys. Parallel lines are lines in a plane that always are the same distance apart. They never intersect. Remember, train tracks or touchdown are goalposts. All right, so it is Fake Friday, which you know what that means. That's right. It's time for our dance party. Look at that, angle exercises and a dance party in one day. Let's go, guys. Come on, dance, it's Fake Friday. All right, guys, have a great spring break. I'll see you when we get back. Bye, guys.